Gün dolandı dalı.
The cross punches hybrid exercise. This is an essential exercise that works your upper body, especially your shoulders, in ways that probably wouldn't be worked otherwise. This exercise will strengthen, stabilize, and develop your upper body's capacity for different movements. Core engaged, knees bent at about 45 degrees to burn the quads. Do it slow and controlled till you get the hang of it. Eventually speed up. Also, you can do it as a dynamic stretch, very slowly and reaching on each punch, with a slight hold at the end of each reach.